Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to Daily Hustle TV. Today YouTube channel, I'll be talking on how to get an extension. So mostly airdrop sites we are using now, we need to connect our wallet, and most of it need to be we need an extension for it to connect our wallet. So now, instead of you using your wallet, which is like using your MetaMask, turn it on your phone, or using a phantom wallet on your phone. So this is a way you can add it to your an extension on your phones, and it's going to work. So these are the list of the apps I have here, list of the browsers that works, and this browser only works on mobile phone. So I don't know on works on mobile phone. So I think all this app also works for if you are using an iPhone too. So I don't know. So you can also check it out. So if you are using an iPhone, you can also check this browser. Maybe they are working on your phones or not. So all these browser, the list of my browser which I find out, and I think they work for an extension. So if you are using music browser, you can just click on this music browser. It's on Google Play Store. So this is it right here. So if you want to use Yendex, you can also use that one too. So you have a lot of browser you can use. So you want to use Max browser, you can also use anyone. So there's also Lemur Browser too, and the last one, which is the Brave browser, so you can also use that one too. So any of these browser you can use to add an extension. So now, how to add an extension? So for the sake of this video, I'll be adding an extension, so you can see on how to add an extension. So let's say I'll be adding a OKX Web3 extension. So now I'll go to my Quetta browser. So basically I'm using Quetta browser, but Quetta browser is not on Google Play Store, Apple Play Store anymore. So you can use other browser which I listed out. You can use it because they are working fine. So I'll just go back to my main page here. When I click on this on my main page, and I'll search for OKX extension. So I'll just click on this page here, and I'll search for OKX. You can see OKX wallet extension. So once you click on it, it's going to load. All this for it to load, so you can continue. So once you click on this browser, it's going to load. So you can choose the OKX browser you want to use now. So the first one which you search for is the one I'm going to use, and make sure you have a Chrome on your device. So if you don't have a Chrome on your device, it's not going to work. So you just click on this first one, which is the OKX wallet. So once you click on it, it's going to load. So now this is where you need information right here now. So once you see that OKX wallet has loaded already, next thing to do is to add it to Chrome. But if it's on iPhone or on laptop, it's going to show get. So once you click on the get, it's going to ask you it. So now it's telling me to remove from Chrome because I already added to it. So let me look on another wallet which I haven't added to my browser. So if I remove it now, let's say I remove it now, it's going to remove from my wallet. But now, because of this video, now I'm not going to remove it. So I'll search for another wallet which I want to add. I can show you now how to add to wallet. So I search for what? Binance Chain Wallet extension. So I'll just click on it. So once I click on it, it's going to load, and I can add it to my extension. Remember, it's not the same thing you are doing an iPhone, and also the same thing on your laptop. So it's also the same thing. So next thing to do is to add it to. You see now, you can see it's showing to what? Add to Chrome. So I'll add it to Chrome. Sometimes there will be a device there will be a download that's going to download. It doesn't just pop, just a small file. It's going to pop. I'm going to download it. Sometimes it don't even show that, and sometimes it just show directly and to add directly. So sometimes it show you to download the file, but all these files that used to show is only small. What happens is that sometimes you show file to download and sometimes it only show files to download. So let's come to my DC. I'll come to here now. I'll come to my download there. See some files which some of these apps will tell me to download. You can see, but usually they are also small files. You understand? So once you click on the file, you can download it. But now it's not asking for any file. So now it's telling me what that I already had to the Chrome. So it's telling me now to remove from Chrome, but you don't need to remove from Chrome. So here is how to know where your extensions are. You come to this three button here on this right corner. So once you click on it, you click on these extensions. So once you click on these extensions, you can see the list of extensions you have. It's already on your browser. So now these are the list of the extensions in my browser right here. You can see these are the list of them. So now I'll go back so that I can complete the Binance Exchange wallet. I'll go back here. Once I go back, and I'll click on this right corner here. So once I click on this right corner, and I will go down and I'll click on this Binance wallet to sign in. Also, if you download MetaMask or Phantom wallet extension, the same way you do it, you understand? Just click on it. Once you click on it, the next thing to do is to put your, you don't have a wallet on it, you create a wallet. If you have a wallet with it before you input your wallet. So that is how to input and create a wallet on exchange. So you can see now I love the wallet. You can add it right here now. Once you are done, you are good to go. So also the same thing as the Bigget. So you have installed the Gate wallet or any wallet before, just click on it and input a wallet. This is how to create a wallet on extensions. I hope you get that. So if you have any question, you can also drop in the description below so that I can also answer you. Posted a project, I post a project and I give another way to also add to extension is very simple. So once you are given a extension link, so you just have to copy the extension. So once you copy the extension, next thing to do is to move to your desktop or your browser. So remember, you are using an extension browser, and so this is mine. So you have to paste it on that browser so you can search for it. Remember, it won't work on Chrome. So if you don't get the full details, you can watch the video so I can get it. So this is here. After you have pasted the link on the browser, the next thing to do is to add it to Chrome. So basically I have already added it to Chrome before, so I don't need to add it to Chrome now. I hope you understand. So it's already added to Chrome. Now it's showing a move from Chrome. You can see right here. So I can leave it there like that. I don't need to remove it now. So that's how to connect your using this method. It's either you search it on your browser, or you will use the link given to you. You understand? You can use both of these ways to connect your extension. You can also check your extension list. You can check them. Either you go to this extension or you see it right here, which is already here. You understand? So that is how to connect it. I hope you understand. So after watching this video, if you haven't get it on how to connect your extension, you can also tell me in the description below. And don't forget to also subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any updates I will be dropping in this channel. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video.